In today's video, I'm going to give you an example of what a weekly content calendar can look like for your contracting or home service business. This is going to be Monday through Friday, 5 different topics and themes that I've actually implemented, coached other businesses on, so that way they've been able to take their content to the next level. And this will work on any social media platform that's out there. Primarily today, I'm going to talk about Facebook and how those things have been implemented for my clients, but it's an absolute game changer when you have a specific theme to a day of the week, which we'll go through 5 different days here in a little bit, how that can actually take your content to the next level and allow you to get better results than you're likely getting today. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to stay around to the very end as we go through Monday through Friday on exactly what you need to do. Now, if you're watching this video and you're not a contracting or home service business, just literally go over to ChatGPT. Here's a quick prompt that you can put into ChatGPT. Please give me Monday through Friday, 5 different themes of the week for my home cleaning business, for my auto glass repair company, for whatever industry that you are in. And I guarantee you ChatGPT is going to be able to output some incredible information for you that will help take your content planning to the next level. Now, what we're going to talk about here today is for a business specific page. If we talk about personal pages and organic social media and things like that from a personal brand standpoint, will it help? Yes, but by having a theme to every single day of the week for your business company Facebook page, it's going to put you in a much better direction when it comes to performance because of how those algorithms work. Let's just take into example or into context a roofing, contracting, home service business. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now that is what I recommend for a home service or contracting business, or really any business social media page that's out there, as long as you're not a specific brand that has products and things like that. I recommend that you have a theme to the day of the week and you post 5 times a week. So for Monday, for example, we like to call that Maintenance Monday. So think of any type of maintenance tip that you would be able to write about, talk about in a video, explain in further detail that would help people preventatively maintain their property or their business. Could be something about a roof, it could be something about a floor, it could be something about landscaping, whatever that might be. So on Monday, you're going to talk about Maintenance Monday, and you're going to have a consistent theme every single Monday. You're going to show up and you're going to provide a tip to your ideal client. On Tuesday, you're going to talk about Testimonial Tuesday. So you're going to highlight a recent 5-star review, whether that's on Facebook, Google, or maybe somebody sent you over a video testimonial. And you're not just going to go pop it up and say, oh my gosh, look at this incredible new 5-star review that we got. You're going to explain a little bit further in detail, specifically what that review was about. Depending upon how the review was written, right? 5-star review, written or video, you're going to go further in depth. Ideally, the person leaving the Google review is going to explain in depth what the project was, what their experience was, where they're located. But you as the business owner or the person posting that on social media is going to take it a step further. You're going to say, oh my gosh, this was an incredible 5-star review that we got from Mrs. Smith last week on Google. Mrs. Smith originally called us after trying to contact 5 other companies, and we were actually the only ones that answered blah, 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 blah. So you're not just going to take the Google review and plop it on social media. You're going to tell your story behind it as what makes you all different, which actually leads us into Wednesday. So we have Maintenance Monday, we have Testimonial or 5-star review Tuesday, and then we have Why Us Wednesday. So every single company has a specific set of differentiators, whether that's the core values, the people, doesn't really matter, on what makes them different in the eyes of the customer. So I always ask people, what makes your roofing company different from your competitor? Well, that's not necessarily what we're looking for with Why Us Wednesday. We want you all to be able to get information from your past, current, and any referral partner that sent you business on, why do you choose us? Why did you buy from us? Why did you choose us for your project? And so a lot of times that happens in the sales process. So you want to make sure that your sales team, or if you're the owner of the company and you are doing a lot of the sales, you want to make sure that you're documenting key reasons as to what makes you all different, because that's great to go put more content behind it, but it's also a key differentiator for your company. It could be that we answer the phone. It could be that we, have very, very high attention to to detail, whatever it might be. Make a post every single Wednesday on Why Us Wednesday. You're going to have Transformation Thursday. So it's going to be a before and after picture of a recent project. And very similar to Testimonial Tuesday, it's not just going to be, here's one picture, here's the next picture. It's literally going to be like, hey, here was the picture. Here's when we started. Here's what the situation was. And here's where everything stands directly right now. And you're going to tell the specifics about the project. It was this type of roof. It was this type of floor. We did this with the tree. And you're going to explain specifically where it was located. So suburb of St. Louis, at a home, at a business. People understand the whole story behind that project, and they can see before and they can see after. And then the fifth, but definitely not final post you are going to make is going to be on Friday. And that's going to be FAQ Friday. FAQ Friday is a frequently asked question that you or your team or someone that does business with you asks all of the time. So I always tell people, make sure your team is writing down frequently asked questions. Make sure you as the owner or the sales rep or whoever is dealing a lot, prospects, leads, and clients, referral partners, etc. Make sure you're writing down all those questions. Those are great, low-hanging fruit and easy to create content behind types of things. So it might be, hey, do you offer free inspections? What type of roof is the best to go with? How many times a year should I have my trees trimmed? Doesn't matter the industry. There's hundreds and hundreds of FAQs that you can create content behind. With Maintenance Monday, Testimonial Tuesday, Why Us Wednesday, Transformation Thursday, and Frequently Asked Question Friday. If you're contracting or home service business and you don't have themes of the day of week when it comes to your social media and your business pages, specifically Facebook, which is a massive lead generation opportunity for you all, you need to go implement this immediately. If you have any questions, if you are struggling to come up with this content, we have a free Facebook community that you can see and click through in the description of this video, or you can head over to Facebook, type in Builders of Authority, join our free group where we have daily content, live weekly trainings, and much more. It doesn't have to end here with this video or even in that group. If there's anything that we can help out with, please make sure to reach out to us. Also, hit that subscribe button on our channel so you can get notified each and every single time we launch a new video. Like this video, leave some comment, leave some feedback. That way other people just like yourself can stay up to date with this information and get educated in the same way you just did today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And remember, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.